In this video, you will learn how to add funds into Hajana One Wallet. First of all, open www.hajanaone.com and then click on Login button. Now, enter your login detail and press Login button. At the main screen, click on Add Funds button. Enter amount in PKR and then click on Continue. There are many payment options available. Select any one option and click Continue Next. Currently, you can add funds online via EasyPesa mobile account, EasyPesa shop, and credit card. I am selecting EasyPesa mobile account option. This is your final receipt. Click Submission. It will take you to the EasyPesa payment portal. Here, you need to enter your credit card detail and click Pay Securely. That is done. Your Hajana One Wallet account will be topped up with new balance. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.